So we're here at the 45th Annual March for Life, just getting some footage of the crowd and seeing how much of a force for good it can be when Catholics, Evangelicals, Orthodox, and even people of no belief whatsoever get together for a single purpose here at the nation's capital.
I'm here with Our Lady of Grace and St. John's in Townsend from Pepperell in Townsend. We're out here celebrating the March for Life, to celebrate life and to stand up for life.
I'm here with my children, and they're going to make the world better because we really mess things up here.
God can bring good out of any evil, and one of the great goods he brought out of the attacks on life is the great coming together of his Christian children. Catholics, evangelicals, Jews, Muslims, all people of faith are here today, of all ages also. So it is remarkable what the great good he has brought out of this evil of abortion.
Yeah, it shows that this is not just a Catholic issue. It's a life issue, and anybody who can see the value of that life is willing to come out and stand together today. It's something that brings us all together.
I've been doing this for 32 years. And what I love about it is that it's everybody. Here comes everybody. It really is ecumenical. It's pan-religious, too. And it's people of no religion. It's a wonderful thing. It brings people together because this is so obviously a matter of justice. It's so obviously a matter of peace. This is what we need to do.
We're all fighting on the same side of natural law. And even those who don't believe, even those without a faith, to come in and fight for something that, you follow the yellow brick road long enough, you'll end up in Rome. But yeah, of course, it's really good to see our evangelical brothers and sisters out here.